Hey everybody, Justin Seener here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase direct from factories with Tangbuy. This is really powerful, and it's going to really help out your e-commerce business because this is direct from factory with Tangbuy. And what I'm going to show you is going to allow you to get 80% off, 80% cheaper prices than local retail distribution, local options, whatever you're going to find. I'm going to show you a much better option. And that's Tangbuy. And they're going to offer you wholesale pricing. And this is going to be where you literally source the products for your store directly from the factory. And this means you're purchasing directly from the source, directly from the factory, directly from the manufacturer, and there's no middleman in between. There's not going to be anyone marking up the price. There's not going to be anyone marking up the boxes or doing anything to make things more expensive for you as a business. And a really popular strategy is to use Tangbuy. Because when you work with Tangbuy, you get that direct factory purchase option where you're going to find 80% off retail pricing. It's incredibly powerful. And new users are going to get a $140 gift voucher to immediately jump into Tangbuy. And I'm going to show you more about it. We'll go over the shoulder in a little bit in this video. And when it comes to working with Tangbuy, it doesn't matter if you're looking to start a small business, if you have an awesome e-commerce store, maybe you're scaling and growing into new markets, maybe you want to find new trending products, maybe you're even buying for personal use. Tangbuy allows you to consolidate all your purchases and then have them shipped directly to you. So you don't need to have 30 different shipping costs. You don't need to work with all these different factories or suppliers or middlemen. You're going to be able to work with Tangbuy for literally everything that you need. And this is perfect for e-commerce stores, for Shopify stores that need to source products for your stores. And many Shopify store owners are sourcing from Tangbuy right now, and they're getting cheaper product prices because they're buying wholesale, right, direct from factory. And with those cheaper product prices, they're able to have higher profit margins, right? The bottom line is our products are going to cost less, so we're going to make more profit when we work with Tangbuy. And there's a bunch of different ways that you could work with Tangbuy, a bunch of different examples of how you could, right? Maybe you're a fashion store. Maybe you want to find cool apparel or shoes or hoodies or t-shirts. Tons of different options there. Maybe you're just a store that's going to sell trending products. Tangbuy can help you with that. Maybe you're a custom clothing store and you want display racks, or you want custom shoe stretchers, or you want hard-to-find packaging, right? All these different options. I mean, you'll find everything on Tangbuy, and you'll get it all direct from factory. That's the kind of big thing here. Tangbuy bridges the gap with its factory direct pricing, right? You don't need to be a massive brand anymore to benefit from wholesale because you get to do it directly with Tangbuy, and you're not going to find any better savings anywhere else. It's unbeatable savings for retailers and for individuals alike. So we're going to go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you Tangbuy. I'm going to show you exactly why I recommend it. And I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to jump into it and use it literally immediately, because I'm going to be able to get you a $140 gift voucher just for signing up. So let's go over the shoulder. You see here's tangbuy.com. You see the link directly below this video. Again, this is going to get you that direct from factory wholesale opportunity here, 80% cheaper than your local retail price. You'll get access to Tang Choice, a carefully curated series of factory direct products. The product selection with Tangbuy is amazing. And again, you see the link directly below this video to jump into Tangbuy. And you see here's tangbuy.com. You can search directly on the homepage. You can go through the beginner's guide here, but this is really all about how to use Tangbuy to buy in wholesale. And the cool thing is that we could just literally search here for any product that you want. You see categories up here as well. And Tangbuy is going to be your global shopping companion. You could literally snap a picture of any product. Right over here, you see the picture section. Upload a picture, show and instantly compare factory direct prices all across the Tangbuy network. You're going to be able to get the best deals on products you love. It doesn't matter what product it is. You upload a photo right here, find that product across the Tangbuy network, and be able to buy it for the best price. And there's hassle-free international shopping because you're going to be able to pay in your local currency, and there's not going to be any hidden fees. Doesn't matter what product you're buying. No hidden fees. You'll be able to choose from multiple shipping options that are going to work for your needs, and there's always transparent pricing, so you know exactly what's going on, what it's going to cost, and again, really great pricing, so you could sell these products for a lot higher and make some really great profit margin. And Tangbuy ensures that your products are always going to be in safe hands. They have expert cross-border logistics, so you're going to make sure that you get these products fast, efficiently, and timely. And there's 90 days of free storage as well. So the cool thing is you could, have different orders, consolidate all your orders. You see all the different types of products here, right? You could imagine having different order types, consolidating them, all these products at once, and then shipping it. You have 90 days of free storage to do that. And you're going to always be able to shop with confidence because Tangbuy offers real product photos, real quality checks, and they literally always guarantee your satisfaction. They're an official Alibaba partner, and they're going to give you that worry-free shopping experience. So we can come over here, you see a bunch of different trending searches over here. It's going to give you kind of a little guide of what's happening right now in terms of some popular stuff. We can click on bracelet, for example. And we're going to see Tang's Choice and all of our search results. You see the cooperation platforms, all these different platforms where you'll be able to source these products. And you see some absolutely incredible pricing, right? Really, really unbelievable here in terms of some pricing here. And you see under $1 for a lot of these items. So we're talking about massive profit margins here. And we can click on Tang's Choice. We're going to show you some of the hottest selling products that are out there right now. And again, you see some incredible pricing on these products. You'll be able to click in to open any of these. Going to show you the exact cost. Going to show you the shipping costs from factory to warehouse, right? That's the domestic shipping. International shipping is an extra fee. This is really, really powerful. And you see that it's going to literally submit this order directly through this page, and you'll be able to then get this into your warehouse and then ship it off to you directly at your home or to your shipper office, wherever you want. You'll be able to ship and consolidate all of your shipments. So really, really powerful. The bottom line is it's very, very easy to use. You can literally just browse through here. I'm going to go back to the home page, and I'll show you, right? We're going to come over here. Let's say click on menswear, and we can see all the different categories over here, like jeans and down vests and trench coats. You're going to get that $140 gift voucher. You see the link directly below this video. You're going to be able to get shipping discounts of up to 10% off as well. So you save on shipping. Dedicated customer support. They have great support, always available, and fully tailored services. They're going to be able to optimize logistics. They're going to set up everything. So you're going to be able to make your wholesale bulk purchases as efficient as possible. I highly recommend them. Literally, just come over here, sign up, you get your $140 voucher totally for free. Start browsing through the different categories. You're going to find so many different products, right? We love selling cat and dog product after product after product after product right inside of this section. So again, Tangbuy, highly recommended. You see the link directly below this video. This is going to allow you to do that direct from factory purchasing for your Shopify store. Make sure you take that $140 free offer. Again, link directly below this video. Hope this helps you find some great products. And of course, if you have any questions whatsoever, please leave a comment directly below this video. I'll try my best to answer every single one. Otherwise, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks again.